Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off a PS4 DualShock controller. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There are two ways to turn off a PS4 controller. The first way is by pressing and holding the PS button until the quick menu appears. In the quick menu, select Sound and Devices. Now scroll to the bottom and select Turn Off Device. Select the controller you want to turn off. Your DualShock controller will now turn off. The other way of turning off the controller is by simply holding down the PS button for 10 to 20 seconds. Keep holding down until it switches off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.